beautiful, my name is Farida, founder of Curly Proverbz. I am a content creator on YouTube and I have been creating content focusing on Ayurvedic hair care for nearly 8 years now. I'm super proud to be collaborating with HennaSooq to bring you a course focusing on colouring hair using Ayurveda. So my journey with Ayurveda actually started about 8 years ago now, and I was in search of something. I was so desperate to grow my hair out. I was so frustrated, tired of brushing my hair and seeing broken strands all over my sink, all over my floor, not being able to retain length. I used deep conditioners, but I still was not able to grow my hair out, and I was starting to fall into the trap of believing that my hair type could never retain length beyond collarbone length, because that was all I had known my whole life. Like 20 years had gone by and my hair was still here. Graduated, hair still here. Got married, hair still here. And so enter Ayurveda, the love of my hair life. And people just started asking me, hey girl, what are you doing? Your hair's growing. It's never been this long before. And it was chiefly henna and amla oil, two things which we're going to be mentioning in today's video and which play a really important role in hair colouring. What's beautiful about Ayurveda is when you compare it to traditional colouring, of course traditional colouring strips the hair, damages the cuticle, and leaves your hair oftentimes unable to maintain shine, unable to maintain its initial integrity. And if you use Ayurveda, the beautiful thing is it strengthens your hair from the follicle to tip, and actually henna is known to rebuild any damage in the cuticle of the hair shaft. So it literally can build up and fill in areas almost like cement would, or almost like replacing shingles on a roof. So your hair ends up in better condition than before you coloured your hair. Win-win, I guess. So in this course we'll be looking at the benefits of a range of Ayurvedic tools, hopefully get you inspired and give you ideas as far as how you will care for your hair in between each colouring session. Even if it tends to be more stubborn as far as assimilating colour, we have some tips to help you with that. What's great about Ayurveda is it works for all hair types. It has been practiced as a holistic approach to health and beauty for absolutely centuries, and works for straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, kinky and coily hair, all through the spectrum, and relaxed hair as well. I often get questions from people who assume that it's not going to work for them because they have relaxed hair, whereas in fact people with relaxed hair probably have the most change in their hair strength because it's already in a weakened form because of the chemical processing. So it benefits all hair types and all hair states. One thing to note though is that when you are applying henna, it is really difficult to strip back and remove. So that's something that you need to bear in mind. You need to commit. It builds up over time, and actually the benefits of each application build on top of